Now we will see how to define a validation rule for a specific attribute in our survey. We double click on our survey, we enter the edit mode, go to the schema section. Now we will go to the DBH attribute of the tree entity. That is a numeric attribute. We want it to be limited between 0 and 700. So we go to the checks, we scroll down to the checks section. For every type of attribute there will be different type of checks that you can add. Just right click, click on the plus button in the bottom left corner. You will have different type of checks that you can define. Now we will create a new comparison check. Click on it. Here on the left and on the right you will define your boundaries for your variable, that is DBH. So the boundary values will be 0 and 700 in our example. You can specify if you want to include the boundaries in this way. So it will be 700 maximum inclusive and greater than 0, strictly greater than 0. If you want, you can customize the message that the user will see in the user interface, or you can keep it empty if you want the default message to be applied. You can even specify that the condition must be applied, this comparison check must be applied when a specific condition is verified. We save our changes, we go to the preview. And now we will test how the validation rule works. Make the plot accessible. So DBH, if you write a correct value, the system doesn't complain, but if you write, for example, 800, the system will show the default message, DBH, that is the label of our variable, must be less than or equal to 700 and greater than 0. This is the default message that will appear to the user.